Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G52, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the visible option, only visible right here, only one at a time as well. As you can see, we can start, which takes us back to Android. We can restart bootloader, which does absolutely nothing. We can boot to recovery mode and power off the device, view the bootloader logs and view some barcode, and then it backs or starts over from the first option, which is start. So anyway, whatever option you have selected right here, you'll then confirm with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I did confirm the start. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.